Alright, I have the Blackstone kit here. There's a couple different things that I like about this. It comes with these two spatulas. You can pretty much use these for anything, flipping burgers, cooking eggs, you know, moving them around, cooking scrambled eggs, whatever you need to. Just kind of your all-purpose spatulas. I really like this thing here. I really like it to basically just clean the grill. You can use it for a lot of things. You can chop things with it. You could even use it to smash burgers or anything like that, but I use it to just clean the grill. You really need something to clean with. The griddle does get dirty, and this is perfect for that. It does come with these two, I don't know what you want to call them, water bottles. I like to have one with water and then use the other one for oil. That way you can clean it with the water, and then also the oil you can re-season it after every use or however often you want to re-season it. There's not really a whole lot I would add. I think it's a good little kit. You know, I would add maybe like a burger smasher or something like that. But other than that, I think it's a nice little kit. It's something that you, everything in here you're definitely going to need in my opinion. And everything seems very good quality. I think Blackstone makes very good quality stuff, so I wouldn't have any issues there. Wouldn't be worried about that. I think it's a great product, and yeah, pick yourself one up.